Hey guys, my name is Angelina Jameson. Thank you for joining me today. Grab your mats because today I'm going to show you how to flow through Sun Salutations. So let's go ahead and begin in downward facing dog. Plant your palms into your mat, underneath your shoulders. Wrap your shoulders. Allow your head to hang heavy, hips up towards the sky. Take a few deep breaths in this posture. Step or lightly hop towards the top of your mat. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, plant your palms on your mat, step both feet back, hug your elbows in. Chaturanga, lower your chest and your abdomens all the way down to the earth. Place the top of your feet onto your mat. Internally rotate your thighs inward. Bring your hands in a bowl pose. Inhale, pull your ribs forward and up. Exhale, pull your ribs forward and down. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Low lunge, step your right foot forward. Lower your left knee down to the mat. Inhale, arms up. Telescope your ribs. Tuck your tailbone. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Feel that line of energy running down your fingertips, down to the side of your body. Palms down. Step your left foot forward. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, plant both palms onto your mat. Step both feet back. Hug your elbows in, chaturanga. Lower your chest and your abdomens down to the earth. Cobra. Inhale, pull your ribs forward and up. Exhale, pull your ribs forward and down. Tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Low lunge. Step your left foot forward. Lower your right knee down to your mat. Inhale, arms up. Telescope your ribs. Activate your feet. Tuck your tailbone. Palms down. Step your right foot forward. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, palms down, step both feet back. Chaturanga. Lower your chest and your abdomens down to the earth. Cobra. Bring your hands in a bowl pose. Inhale, pull your ribs forward and up. Exhale, pull your ribs forward and down, tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Step or lightly hop to the top of your mat. Now we're going to flow. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, palms down, step both feet back. Chaturanga and Cobra. hope you guys enjoyed that short tutorial on how to do sun salutations. My name is Angelina Jameson. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. You guys all have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.